Explain how to ask ChatGPT for innovative business ideas based on your interests. Show prompts such as, give me 5 profitable online business ideas related to fitness. Demonstrate asking ChatGPT about market trends and potential profitability. Example prompt, what are trending niches in e-commerce in 2025? Advise viewers to validate these ideas further using external tools, Google Trends, keyword tools. Provide prompts to generate a simple business plan. Example, outline a detailed business plan for an online fitness coaching service. Show how ChatGPT can generate engaging content. Example prompt, write a blog post about the benefits of online fitness coaching. Explain how ChatGPT can help with marketing strategies, social media captions, email campaigns, and more. Example prompt, create 3 engaging Instagram captions promoting my fitness coaching business. Highlight using ChatGPT to handle customer support queries. Example prompt, create an effective reply template for common customer questions about pricing. Demonstrate how to brainstorm growth strategies with ChatGPT. Example prompt, list 5 effective strategies to scale an online fitness coaching business. For more AI tips, tutorials, and insights, subscribe to my channel.